In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to transfer items between accounts in Roblox. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see, I have this account over here that I'm signed into the official Roblox website. And if I go over to my avatar editor, I have some items that maybe I want to try to transfer to another account. If you have the same situation and you're wondering if you are able to transfer any of your currently owned items to another account, here is what Roblox has to say about transferring items between accounts. First, click the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and then select Help from the drop-down menu that appears. We will be taken into the Roblox support page or the Roblox Help Center, where we can search for the word items in the search bar at the middle of the screen, and immediately we should see this article pop up. Can I move items, experiences, or Robux from one account to another? This is what the official Roblox Help Center has to say about transferring items. There is no system in place to transfer items or Robux between your accounts. It is, however, possible to transfer your experiences using Roblox Studio. So, according to the official Roblox Help Center, it is impossible to transfer items and Robux. You can only transfer experiences between accounts. So, any methods that claim they have a way to transfer items between accounts are scams. Never share your password with any of these methods and be careful because there is no way to transfer items between accounts in Roblox. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to transfer anything between accounts besides experiences. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.